Good evening. Oh, hungry? Then you guys, nagugutom siya. Mamaya, bigyan kita pagkain, ha? Later, I give you, okay? Don't go away. Stay there. Ming! Bigyan natin ng pagkain yung mga... Go. Ming! Ming! Come. Ming! Eat! Sila dalawa. Come on. Come near. I give them. Don't go. Good evening, guys. Yan. Kikita nyo yan? Kutsi nila yan. Dito kami sa hacienda. Ayan po, oh. Ayan. Gabi. Solar yan. Solar. Sleep in the farm na naman.